Bonjour, je m'appelle Loveleen. Hello, my name is Loveleen and welcome to my channel French with Loveleen. Today in this video, we're gonna learn French alphabets. And let me tell you, these French alphabets are very simple because these are the same 26 alphabets which we use in English language. But what makes it different from English is the pronunciation. So, to learn the pronunciation, I'll speak one by one these letters and you have to repeat after me. Alright? And to make it easier, at the end, I'll sing a song on the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb and we'll sing along. Alright? So, let's get started. One by one. Répétez après moi, okay? Repeat after me. A. A. B. Yes, try. Speak loud, okay? B. B. C. C. D. D. It's a bit like burp. Right? I know it's funny, but it is like that only. It's not like English E, it is F. F. G. G. H. H. Yes, H. E. E. I know you must be thinking E is E, this, right? But this E is actually, I is E, right? I is E. 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 G. G. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. It's not Q proper, it's bit Q. 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 R. This is the trickiest one. R. You have to speak little from your, back of the throat. Just roll your tongue. R. R. It will come by practice. No worries. Try. R. R. It's not proper R, not R. It's bit from the throat. R. R. Yes. Yes. Now it's fine. R. Yes. S. S. T. T. U. U. Little bit you have to roll your lips. U. Not proper U. It is U. U. Yes. U. V. V. W. W. Two times we connected. It's V. W. W is double. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. Z. Très bien. Très bien means very good. Now let's sing that song. I know it's a bit kiddish, but believe me, it works. Right? So don't hesitate. Please just sing along. Alright? Let's start. Mary. Oh, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P, Q, R, Q, R, Q, R. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. M, N, O, P, Q, R, Q, R, Q, R, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. X, Y, Z, 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 X, Y, Z. J'apprends l'alphabet. X, Y, Z. J'apprends l'alphabet. J'apprends l'alphabet means I am learning French alphabets. I hope you understood. Just sing this song all the time, right? So that you can memorize this, and for more videos, for the pronunciation especially of these letters properly, the sounds, just watch my next video, okay? Alright, au revoir.